Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. I am in my messy, empty garage today because I'm about to start another project. It's my brother's 71 Comet GT. This car's been on the channel before for various things. This time it has some engine problems. I think it has collapsed lifters, possibly a bad cam. It's not flat tappet, it's roller, but it's running bad, it's chugging, it's down on power, and it clacks really bad. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain the oil and then cut the oil filter open and see if it's got metal particles and glitter in it. If there's glitter in the oil, then that means the engine has to come out and apart. If the oil is clear, it might just need a cam and lifters, but we're gonna find out together. I'm gonna back it off the trailer. You'll hear how bad it's running. You hear it chugging too. Yeah, it has a small cam in it, but it doesn't sound good. And I'm going to drain the oil, like I said. I'll do that first. Not looking forward to this because there just isn't any room to work on this. First things first, drain it. Okay, just pulled the drain plug out, and we got some bad news here. There's stuff growing off the drain plug metal. Look at this. These are needle bearings. I'm guessing that they came out of the roller lifters. This is very gritty. I'm assuming that the oil is going to have sparkles in it. And it's engine rebuild time. Just on that drain plug, got 5 needle bearings. A lot of fuzz. Whoops, another needle bearing. 6. Chunks. All right, let me finish draining the oil, and then I'm going to take the oil, look at it in the sun, and see if it's glittery or not. I'm going to take a magnet and stick it up inside the oil pan through the drain hole and see how much other stuff I can pull out of there. It's bad. Got a couple more needle bearings out that are just covered with grit. You can see all the sparkles and glitter in just that little bit of oil that came off the magnet. See if we can go out in the sun here. But there's a lot of sparkles and glitter in there. Very bad, very, very bad. So that engine needs to come out. So next videos will be of the engine pull process. Fun times in Dan's messy garage. And this oil, you can see all the sparkles and glitter in there. Ran this magnet in the oil pan. Got some more stuff. Looks like I got a couple more needle bearings. A lot of grit. There's even a partial bearing here. I got a partial bearing on the drain plug too, like one busted in half. Just got another one out of there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. There shouldn't be any glitter or traces like that in there. Definitely shouldn't be able to pick metal chunks out with a magnet. Engine needs to be rebuilt. So that's going to be the end of this part 1, Dan's Messy Garage. 1971 Comet GT engine problems. Stay tuned to the channel for other videos and updates on this project. Bye.